Skele, Ampa skele, uza ngobukele, skele, skele, uza ngobukele, Ampa skele, skele.
Sanibonani bafethu, and this is your boy Ukatlego Ntariana Mula aka Mr. Soweto Kamfele Mosiba aka Mr. Cool himself. Welcome to Ikasele Vuyele bafethu at Katlego Mula Network. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave your comment down below. Uthi Soweto Sikhethu bafethu, and click on the membership button to become a member and get exclusive content. Any into bafethu ngiqalene ngayenzi. Do not skip ads because you are one of my ads. That means AdSense.
Yeah.
When you skip an ad, that channel, if you that means I'm not making money. So I can't provide good things for my guests because you are skipping ads. It does not take much. You just watch the advert, you go to the toilet, you come back, you come and watch again. So we are at food bar where they sell food buffet, you know. Because the food bar it's famously known for selling like a makot. But then by the inyama, by things and a papa, they do pry. Mawuzile is a place of family. Ingahlala kamnandi family host ama event wakho naba retire emsebenzini. Nizoshaya babiza retirement party or yona le. So
a baby shower wena.
Baby shower is every Monday. Strictly Mondays, baby shower.
Only Mondays.
Yeah, weekend and just this day.
Okay.
Yeah. So when I co-host them, chance to go the show.
Okay, this is us Omhle uKwinzuri intombi yenu eyomXhosa umabhanga umdumankawuta ulanga, and we are here at Ikasile Vuyele at Katlego Mula Network. Yeah.
Nango, yes, ladies first.
Hi guys, it's your girl Reese. Straight from Eldos, just trying to make it known. But yeah, I'm in the city of money.
Yeah.
Josie, Soweto.
Yeah.
So I feel the main aim for what is so Mr. Nama voice song about so super vocal enough.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah, was continue again there. I'm a Varatos.
You
I'm
just knew it is a kulubanga.
Where?
There's two. There's Varados and there's Faskan. So which one are you talking about?
Okay, wait. It just introduce we are going.
Yo, it's your boy Wednesday. I make music and I'm delusional.
Yeah?
Am I not?
You're delusional.
You know.
Hayi nyazi mara batshela nge-English ngesizulu ithi bosengane
Ngazulanga, no.
like
You need delusion.
Beyond repair, like, queen.
yeah shuthi igun light inokulight sometimes I like
That's three.
so yo
Asiye 3.
umuntu wakhe cabanga bakabhizi endlini wathi yatrain.
Uyamazi umuntu wakhe.
Okay, shout out to the boy. So I beg you, please stay tuned and watch this episode. Already you can feel the vibe. It's fun. We're having fun.
Yeah.
So azi ngevaratos ne first guy. Kwenzakalana abo bani badume ngani?
Kahle lento le, it started from, I don't know if you guys know the group known Afghans.
Yeah.
So iqala nama Afghans. So from there it moved to 28, 27, 26, yabo. And then after Lapo I came the war. This war actually started between Aldos ne Westbury. Because now there's two different gangs. There's Varados and there's Fascans. You understand? So they don't click, they don't mix. But it's more likely, how can I put it? Most people always joke about Varados, but it's really something very, very serious. Because in the Kasi I grew up in El Dorado Park Extension 1, it became like Westbury. You weren't even allowed to walk to the shop anymore safely without a bullet going past you.
It's dangerous, miss.
So our kids stop playing outside due to such reasons because it's like young boys 15, 16 dying in my car thinking I don't know actually do they understand what are they killing each other for? Because they don't actually know.
So does the community try to intervene or police officers?
We try to intervene, but actually our government is corrupt, guys.
Eish.
True.
Because if this thing has to go deeper, you'll actually see that where are these boys getting these guns from?
She's quirky.
So our system is fucked up.
Yeah. So the number of gangsterism in your cars is high.
You're talking about high. It's beyond high.
It's beyond the limits.
Yeah.
We had an incident not so recently. Young boys 15, 16 dying in my car due to robbing Ubers.
So how did it die?
Bamdubulile.
Udubula umuntu Uber.
Yes. It's
Yo.
like melile. They were waiting for them to request.
Oh.
Yo.
So it happened.
Yes.
Yeah.
So mina last question besiyambuza bese sizothambela komkhozi. Ngibuyisela emuva. How did you feel ngalento le yakhulunywa yilaba bafana be-open chat? That ukuthi abantwana bamakhala bayalala like ifamily yalala.
You know, I took it very in a weird way because in some cases it does happen, but they make it seem like it's a hole. It's not a hole. That's funny, so
True.
you understand?
Yeah.
So.
Ile ndaba leyo. Eish. Okay,
Any question?
I
Any
don't
question?
have any question for you.
Any question?
Sesivuzile.
No to violence.
No to violence.
No to violence,
Well,
yeah.
well,
Definitely.
Okay. Washo kanjani? Wathi no to violence.
Kids are getting killed.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, so.
We're not living in peace. Like Jalo, every day fanele khona something yenzakalile.
Nah, is.
Exactly.
Is. Into kumele si mara okay, hayi. Bantu mama taxi. If ushaya imoto kayi-4 akuzi umuntu. Yekela ukushaya ka-10. Ungaziforce.
Really?
Yo, asigibeli baba.
They're at work, guys.
Abashaya kayi-4.
Bafuna abantu. What if kunomuntu olele? Maybe uyayileka imoto. So abona ukuthi
uzogibela enye itaxi. Lasibanga umsini. Hayi. Yeah, mkhozi wami. Izokuphela. Yeah, mkhozi yami.
you were saying.
Yeah, no to violence.
Okay, guys. So
No to violence.
Yeah, in which terms? There's plenty of ways of violence. Njengoba ikhulumile violence.
Also in the streets.
Wena kuhamba nekasi lakho violence way.
Fairly, with also drugs to plays a role. Like Crystal Wakawat and
Where are you from, when?
I'm from Zone 1.
Here in Tiklu.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So I know it's powerful.
So kahle iflopile crystal le egcwele ama drugs. So wena izintwana esekasi ucabanga ukuthi lento lethi ngayiqeda kanjani? Sizwe wena maybe ne opinion because wonke umuntu athi awukwazi ukuyiqeda because of the government. Wena mawucabanga ukuthi wena baba ngathi guys key aqeda lento ama drugs ungayenzani?
First of all, I'll call Ntlantla if I have that connection.
Yeah.
Because he also doesn't fuck with drug dealing and all that. So that's step one. Then not snitch, but just sikhulume iqiniso, like iqiniso, like
Yeah.
that will set you free.
But Unhlanhla likes most manje, like ingathi Akasekho
In
mas.
politics.
Basamfakanga nje. Akasekho nje akasezingeni because usiqedele nini ubona inhlanhla lakhe elwela zona lezi zinto lezi.
Hayi nangimgcina kudala.
Simgcine kudala.
Mara
So
mina
like uzosiza kanjani?
yeah, mara kunento engifuna ukuquestion ngama-politician bafethu because thina si-youth and sisekazi like urhulumente Nhlanhla la akusirhulumente lami ne
Yeah.
uCyril Ramaphosa ipresident yami akusirhulumente lami
Yeah.
yabo if uzobona uNhlanhla Lux athi Julius Malema ke ngwana but we are trying to fix the country but then nina abantu abaphezulu niyadelelana phela uNhlanhla Lux umdala kuno uJulius Malema umdala kulo Nhlanhla Lux
Yeah.
so if uNhlanhla Lux angakwazi ukushow respect ku Julius Malema we expect kanjani youth ishow respect kuwe
But Julius Malema na uyishowile respect kuNhlanhla Lux because of lento le respect it goes
Hand
hand
in
in
hand.
hand.
Yeah.
Umuntu omdala kumele amhloniphe umuntu omncane so that nomncane afunde
Amhloniphe
irespect
umuntu omdala.
emntwini omdala akwazi ukumhlonipha. So if you don't respect me as the elder, do you think ukuthi mina ngizokhona ukukuhlonipha? No, I
Never.
cannot.
Never.
You understand?
Yeah.
So
so
lento it's all about power.
ubani
Kahle
nepala?
kahle ubani nepower.
Over.
You understand?
His rank is more higher than that.
Yeah, so the numbers. But then in a nutshell, you can't be at the top and usitshele ukuthi yeah, you guys must be focused, but you are not focused. So lead by example. Into engizama ukuyisho ukuthi even if uJulius Malema beka wrong, but bekungamele bayenza on a public platform. Like inibonisa intwana ukuthi nathi singavele sithi Julius Malema kibhara ayikho into ezoyenzeka.
Yeah.
So mama ngasebenzisa lo
There's no
concept.
respect.
Yang understand yeah abaveze iphathi weba respectanayo bangaveze iphathi labadelana because if bathi Nhlanhla la skipper nami ngizothi Nhlanhla la skipper ngeke ngiboshe manje
Labantu balaphambi kwethu eParliament bayathukana eParliament
Hey.
babhekile so do you think ukuthi thina nalana nathi singakhona ukurespectana?
so it all starts ebudaleni so lento enenze eParliament yasifaka apha and sifuna ukuthi iphele so bafethu azithume manje yazi manje sikhuluma sikhuluma istrada manje let's start with the most trending one.
Oh. Okay.
Okay.
Khuluma kuqala.
Okay, let me just jump on that one.
Okay.
You saw the Caribbean, the Nicki Minaj situation.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys. Shit
Yeah.
got messy real fast.
Yeah.
Ah.
Ku-involve-ke nabantwana babo
Exactly.
like abantwana bangenaphi.
Even the
Exactly,
mothers, they
understand.
mentioning mothers now.
Now mothers
Yeah.
are so see how far it's going.
Like like you touch
Omunye is saying
step.
one child is ugly, the other one is saying the other one child is slow.
How?
So
Yo.
where does these kids get inside of this?
Because ngebe isolve bona bebodwa balwe bodwa banga-involve abantwana. You understand? Banga-involve ama-family abo like ayibe yabo kuphela. You
Iphelele
understand?
kubo.
Iphelele kubo.
Enhle labantu laba abakwazi ukukhuluma like ngokutextana kuWhatsApp or imanager
I
yakhe
Block
think
each
there's
other.
ego. I
Like
think there's
completely
ego.
iko nekuthi angeke
Who's
ngizobhawa
the
kulo
best
ya.
rapper to best female rapper? But y'all don't know it's Nicki.
And
Ne.
guys, you must remember this beef started when Nikki threw a show at Kari. And Kari jumped Nikki. So this is where this whole beef actually started.
Oh,
Who threw a shoe?
Nikki threw a show at Kari.
Was it not Kari?
No, Kari jumped in the club. So she threw a shoe at Kari. You understand? So that's where the beef started. It's like, okay, let's dust each other. Let's make dust tricks. Then what happened is they put them both on motorsport, remember?
yeah.
So in motorsport, they were
Nikki,
actually dusting each other. In motorsport, if you listen to it.
Yeah.
Like,
Shep.
Said you my son's go and sit on a party. That's what Nicki said.
he said what?
Nikki must go and Kari must go sit on a party. Like
On
you
a
see,
party.
these
Bitches, you my son go
Abantwana
sit on a
basebenzayo.
party.
Yo. Yo. But yeah, this shit is scary.
It is.
Because this as a state is ending at death.
Mm.
True. But Lena, do you think it will end with that because of yazi ngithi abantu base state they're using guns angithi ukuthi babulalana. So do you think ukuthi because bona amantombazana, do you think ukuthi bona baza endapha bedubulene?
Never.
Because it lonto lesi yazi aba ema-outing
Ema-outing.
siyazi ukuthi ama-outing mabelwa into yabo mayingasolveki it's gonna end up in guns and kuzofa umuntu. So this one yamantombazana, do you think ukuthi izofikelela lapho?
Yeah, but even girls
I
do
don't
so.
think so.
I
You don't think so?
too,
Now you
'cause they are
don't.
girls.
So it's always
It's always just gonna
It's
be like
always
It's always
a
jealous,
beef.
yeah.
Nah.
For them, it's always just
and
gonna be a
it's
beef, dust tricks.
stupid beefs.
Yeah, it's a
Stupid
stupid
beef.
beef, nyan.
And you end up getting killed for
Stupid things.
Stupid thing.
Yeah, stupid thing.
But okay, sorry. Cardi, she's gangster. Nicki Minaj rolls with YMCMP, and I'm talking of Batman. What if one of them calls her Inkabi? Because there are women who call Inkabi for a personal reason.
I don't think
Waiting
Cardi
for
would do
Inkabi.
Not that time.
I don't think.
I don't think
I
Cardi
think
would do
Nikki
that.
can be petty, there, but she wouldn't be petty in that way, though. You understand? Cardi isn't gangster; she's ghetto.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's what you guys need to understand.
Yeah.
And compare the music. I feel like most of Cardi's tracks is just about pussy and
And
Yes,
dick.
true.
you understand. Nicki's ripping up our life. She's been in the game.
Yeah. And check the catalogs.
She can't reach where Nicki has reached already.
So that's
They're
why she's
proud
fighting
now.
alone.
You do
But
understand?
there was where Cardi B was like, I don't understand why Nicki Minaj like uzoba ne beef nami uzocompare nawe because of I mean like bakhona abo Drake abantu bungene nabo. I was in high school when abo ungene.
Yeah.
So I don't understand
Why you comparing me
why
to
you
you?
comparing me to you? You understand?
Yeah.
While else mina bengimele ukuthi ngibukela kuwe and then wena compare nami like ulwa nami. Why kumele ulwe nami?
But that's
You
true.
understand? So like ngifile ukuthi lapho Cardi B, that's why I took her side. It's because of lonto le bakayikhulumile ukuthi uzicompare njani nami ekubeni wena you are there and mina ngifike after you. You understand? And I was looking up
Up to you.
But can I say something also?
Yeah.
I feel like Cardi B is trying to be Nicki Minaj in a way.
How
Okay.
so?
First things first, did you see how she changed her face? Her face looks exactly like Nicki's right now.
Like,
Exactly like Nicki Minaj's
Yeah, okay,
face.
okay.
Straight. The way Nicki dresses, she dresses that way. If you look in most pictures on social media or any platform they show you at, she's trying to be the queen of rap. Okay, she's good at it.
yes, she's good.
I sparks with her music.
Yeah.
I listen to her, but at the same time, Nicki's gonna always be that bitch. So guys, to me, that's my honest opinion.
Okay, so between Nicki and Cardi,
I'm a Nicki
Nicki.
girl.
I'm not into hip hop, ne, but I was following this beef yabo.
answer.
So, Mina, I am with Cardi.
My brother.
Wena ka.
Hayi zamantombazana
Mina,
asizindile.
I'm into Cardi, shame.
Mara lyrically Nicki Minaj.
Nicki, because
Yeah,
of,
lyrically you can
Lyrically.
so yeah.
because of Wayne.
Yeah, and
Because
because
of
of
Wayne.
Wayne. Angithi allegedly Wayne yambhalela.
Allegedly. There's always
There's
allegedly.
Yeah, even if something is true, you must put
But
that as to know
kunomuntu othe even no Cardi nayo iyabhalela. But
Yeah,
I don't
they
think
do
so.
write music for Cardi. Some of her songs wasn't written by her. and Some is. The one she's making now, that's her music. It comes straight from her. But before,
Baby Mphalela. So kuyafana nike no Nicki.
You understand what
Oh
you-
no, okay.
so I don't understand why they're comparing themselves. Why can't they just be
Why?
queens
Yeah.
and fix their shirt and just be okay, guys?
And work
Yes.
together. Like imagine if Cardi
If
B
they had
got
to make a collab together.
it's
Yo,
gonna be fine.
yo, coming
Fire.
album, yeah. Yo. And
It's
the
gonna be
and the
fire.
late DJ Khaled produced it. Dr. Dre must be there.
Metro
Metro Booming must be there.
Yo, it was gonna be fine.
Writers Drake must be there. Wayne must be there. Kendrick must be there.
Gold must
Call
be
me
there.
there. Travis must be there. Yes, they
But
can. Yo, bangadla labantwana.
But yes, there's this thing, I don't know why amantombazane engathandani. Because I think
Also-
it's because of that nabo ngamantombazane.
Abantu-
Why singathandani singamantombazane?
Okay,
Why?
I think
always
sometimes
hate each
sometimes
other,
it's the situation of she has more than I have. You know, she's trying to compare herself. Can I be in her shoes? You understand? Which
Or
you don't
she's
have to
greedy.
do because at the end of the day, Mutimo asipari.
Yeah.
Yeah.
True.
His timing is not your timing.
Yeah.
Wait, even if you're gonna go through a storm, a tsunami, everything at once, his timing is not your time.
Wait for your time. It's
Do
coming.
not idolize other people's things.
Yeah. Utahwa.
Just you.
Papa. Yeah.
So that's how I feel about it.
But without nje music ne, what I'm trying to say nje, without music abantu ababifa music like thina nje generally
As
amantombazane as girls
We don't like each other.
asithandani, like you
We don't
asithandani,
like-
and the funny thing about us ke asifani nama out. I think ama out baya
Pretendelana.
I don't know, niya pretendelana.
Yeah.
Do you guys pretend to each other?
Yeah.
So tina we show it, we don't pretend.
You guys don't show it.
Tina
Us
shem
we
we show it.
pretend.
If I don't like you, I'm gonna be like
I'm gonna show you.
I'm
that-
gonna show you.
Ungenile manje.
Thina bafana singakubulisa singachayi singazwani ngibulisa just because people bakhona. Mara mina na deep down sathi ukuthi asinanywana.
Ayilena.
Abafana baya pretendelana amantombazana honest.
And the type of girls I hate is those girls that now we can be together today.
Yeah.
And then you are tomorrow you're gonna go to police and tell police, no, but no love this.
No,
Surely.
Yeah, it's
You
always
understand? Then you
about
come
people.
back, then you bring back Palisa's story to race.
Bakhona nabafana banjalo bakhona.
Really?
Yeah.
We thought
Is
it's
it?
only happening
Yeah.
with girls.
Yabona abafana yiyo mantombazana.
Khona abafana abafaka ipaint.
Yeah.
No, like on a
On a serious no kunabafana abagcoka ama G-string.
like
Nama
and
palm
me I
shots.
see it on a daily. Everybody hates me like Chris. Why?
Yeah.
Why?
Like abafana ama pretender, abafana ama menemene, abafana abafuna ukukhuluma ngomuntu bangena ngegama lomunye umuntu. Like umuntu mafuna ukukhuluma ngami uKristu uthi ntwana yazo ntaro yenu yenzeni because uyazi ukuKristu uthi ntaro yanu uzomamela ukuthi ntaro yenu yenzeni. Then abafana bangena kanjalo. Abafana ama beat yo mpana yabona ngifila ngathi ezulwini benza mistake. Umuntu abamdlise umuntu odlisa omunye apula umfana.
I think so. I also feel like that. Why is not No, that's why it's called an Adam's apple by a gent. We don't have it.
don't have it.
That's why they swallowed the apple, my friend. This one.
Yeah.
And they played it. He swallowed it.
Abafana abafethu ninamanga nama empty promises niyahleba niyakhulumana nithanda ucreate indaba nokungena nangabanye abantu awungelele mkhozi wami
Yabo OC sibhuti.
hayi nabo like asazi
But is a lento amatong.
matong ne beba abo Miss Universe
Oh, there's something like ukadi big muze bega ngameleni interview yakhe. But she was talking about it divorce yakhe ukuthi kwenzeke. So she was like it's funny how like abantu abashadile ne, let's say you guys are married. It's funny how amadoda ngawo like I respect imishado yabantu. But amantombazana like yo bayaziphosa emadodeni like that are married like bayaziphosa like they don't care ukuthi you are married or not. Like they just don't care.
amele ngishade
They don't just like abakhathali, and then tina mantombazana yo siyazilahlela. I mean abafana
Baya
like baya respect. It's only when like seka even like bahlukene.
Yeah, then you
So- so
try
na-
something like
Yeah.
so ngisenayo wena ring or they know because angithi uye wa-announce ukuthi bahlukene na no Offset. So manje athiyo like beku empty kuze ngijwela no Offset. I mean ngishade no Offset. Ithe mangi-announce ukuthi angisekho no Offset like yo ama DMs bekangena awabafana like yo. Because of
Bewalandelana.
yeah, kusho ukuthi bebemrespect at that
Yeah.
time bekashadile, but now just because of
she's no longer together.
she's no
Yeah.
longer together with Offset now, but they are bafuna ukutry chance yabo ukuthi bangene kubani uCardi
Cardi
B.
B.
But now the girl is happy. She's pregnant from Stefan Day.
Yes, shame.
You
I
understand?
She's so
She's so
happy.
happy. The
Ma-
girl is happy.
Mara wena in your mind ungasheli cherry Offset you'll die young.
What do you mean?
What do you mean?
Like bekakhuluma na ngama-celebrity ukuthi baby like bekakhuluma ngama-celebrity ukuthi like bebemrespecta. So kahle labo bantu abaya kuma-DMs akhe now since wena ehlukene no-Offset ngaba ibingama-celebrity not like
Bebanovala.
anyone nje ongaphandle.
Phela Offset akuso anyone.
Offset utheni?
Offset
He's
uhamba
amigo. He's amigo.
yeah yabo la muntu leyo wapi uhamba nemigo
Yo, what
gang.
guys
Like Bamba ngama gangs.
what is a Milo?
Migo
Like Migos, the group.
yeah
Now
so ngicabanga ukuthi abana backup whereby like if anything happens bangathumela abantu ukuthi abone DM athi lo ngijwala kabi nyamlando uzonya
One
Offset
Yeah, akufuna ukucisha bani.
bafuna ukucisha le out efuna actually cherry
Awulani ngayenza.
yabona so ngamdm
They slam you up so nice and traced.
so that's why bebengamlaleli
Yeah.
kuye.
because
They told it. They
Yamas
don't
was
have
ingozi.
Yamas was Superfly. Like its features based on a true story.
yeah
Superfly.
The movie
On Netflix,
Superfly.
yeah.
yeah
You don't understand what's happening.
what's happening tell us about Superfly
It's actually how he got rich.
how you got rich
Well, he was selling coke. Started by selling coke.
And they put the coke in like weird places, like couches. They had a shop, a couch shop. So that's how they was selling their merchandise. So once a truck gets delivered with the couches, just know there's like some
Yeah.
stash in there. You understand? And then greed was involved, and they started shooting each other a lot because it's like the black crew versus the white crew. And this guy of the black crew actually has 2 wives. He has a wife and he has a girlfriend. And the wife and the girlfriend get along.
ugeza ngani
But guys, okay, in that phase, would you
I
guys?
think it's money. Money.
yeah the
Money will make you do crazy things.
Yeah,
Ne.
true.
maybe khona umthandayo khona uthanda imali yakhe
Money is power.
Awubancane nithi like bancane bayithi
yeah
So in this industry, who do you all think is the best power couple?
yeah sengifuna sibe industry nasemzana
Here
in
in
South Africa
Yeah, and internationally.
our couple internationally siyazi sonke ukuthi
Rihanna and Rocky.
Rihanna and
oh wena
Rocky.
Rihanna and Rocky
Mina power couple it's Beyonce and Jay-Z bafethu.
No, I'm all for the Tiana and Aaron Pierre type of scene. Now that's my people.
yeah emzansi
Pretty ugly and
I wanted to say pretty ugly
Even me,
and
pretty
Romedy said.
yeah
What's yours?
yeah mina pretty ugly no buntle ngidisela
Okay.
like through thick and thin they've been together
They've been
And-
even before pretty ugly eba famous, right?
They were together
Yeah.
since high school, actually.
and
wow,
shout out to the Bruce who were broke namantombazana wabo aba successful and azange babajikela shout out to them
Shout out to
we
those
need to
folks,
show we need to give you a round of applause like we need to appreciate people like you because we don't appreciate people like you we appreciate the ones who cheat sibabiza makhotmani
Yeah.
wena lo ungachita sikubiza khotman mara for mina wenja game Italiana awuzoyeke danko
Danko.
Xavier flowers.
Yes.
all of them
Yes.
even the curry and the soil ne so Proza I want to ask you something ne so this is about I don't even I can see with the church I know people with the church it's about the universe things that are happening how time is moving what do you think about the universe what can you tell us about the universe what can you talk about earth what can you talk about spirits
I just told her like Sponiski Pakonjo, what was it written?
Go get.
Go get it.
Go
I'm
get
like
it.
you saw that t-shirt. It says go get
I think
it.
it's that guy's
I'm like
t-shirt
it.
outside actually.
yeah
Was it his t-shirt or someone
I think nah, not that one. So I'm like, we have one of the universe is actually talking to you if you actually
Open your
visualize. And people are scared of that third eye thing, and it's true.
else? You believe it's true?
I wanna understand with this third eye thing. What is it? I mean, I'm lost in that shame. I always hear people bekhuluma nge-third eye.
You see, it's gonna take you from one place to a
So nah,
deeper place.
deeper.
yeah guys before he jumps with that eye I wanted I'm going to explain the third eye but this is gonna shock you abanye bazokuphikisa abanye bazongibheja
Okay.
ne Jesus Christ God is the Illuminati
Hi. They will encourage each other.
okay
These two.
the Illuminati means the enlightened one
Yeah, the enlightened.
so who's enlightened
God. Yeah.
No,
Illuminati-
guys, getting
Nah, yeah, he has a point.
let's talk
Not for
about
your-
yeah
Yes, a point. Yeah.
let's not talk about the cults that's what they are doing but the meaning of Illuminati means the enlightened
The
one
lead.
so who's the lead
It's God.
who is enlightened
It's God.
yes you know by
Mara
him
kodwa.
But
He put it in a wrong
No,
in a wrong way. I understand.
I understand bazi baba sebabatala
Yeah, maybe.
yazi ngingabadala abadala ne mara information akusi information ukuthi kumele uyazi manje uzoyazi in future mase uyibona ukuthi oh man sike sakhuluma ngalento nayi lento esike sakhuluma ngayo that's why baje something
What I'm trying to say
reminisce.
is, angithi Illuminati, it's God, it's Jesus, right?
the enlightened one
The enlightened one. So I think angithi uyazwa bathi yonke into enzwa uNkulunkulu uSathane wenza opposite.
yeah
Like wenza opposite uzokwenza yona lento la yenza but ayenze ngenye
Ngenye
indlela.
indlela.
So le Illuminati le bona njengoba uthi yini?
the enlightened
The enlightened one.
Yeah.
Ne? So bona the enlightened wabo akusiwi enlightened ulo dark in wabo which is Satan. So that's why esebenza le Illuminati siyazi ngoSatan mhlawumbe.
And guys, don't forget, Satan was once a what?
an
angel. Thank
so he
you.
knows everything
Fallen angel.
fallen sorry
Fallen angel.
ofana mazazi so yeah he was a fallen angel mara ngenye question futhi why uNkulunkulu alahlela uSathane emhlabeni bese aphilise thina la senze nje
If you read the Bible, feel there was Jerusalem and whatever. They got perished and whatever. But I feel like this time it attached to Mubakole and
Yeah. yeah
then us now.
And if you read the book of Revelations in the Bible,
But that's the scariest.
it's the scariest book in the Bible
Hey.
because if you have to look of most of the cases that's been happening on the news, as actually what is happening in Revelation.
Now.
me I do believe that Jesus is back
Is what?
Jesus is back
He's back.
Yeah, because he said on the Bible, when he comes back, you'll see fake pastors. You'll see a lot of things that are happening.
When he's about to
cases.
come.
Yeah, Jesus was long here. He's just observing what's happening. So that's why there are many things: kidnapping, killings, fraud, children dying. So he's here to select his people and go with them. There's nothing ukuthi kuzoba mnyama bese uNkulunkulu akhulume ezulwini. Sesibadala manje.
I was taught in Sunday school ukuthi when he comes, like
Sunday school.
kuzoba ne bathi yini instrument ixilonga lizokhala Jesus is coming.
Bebakufundisa kuphi? Sunday school.
Disney was
So asikhulume Disney Sunday school.
fantastic.
Okay, manje asikhulume mamdala ngayibhekile
Jesus is
ikhona lento le.
coming. Yes, since I believe since from a Sunday school until
Well,
that means we all have a different opinion because where I was raised and my church is the old apostolic church.
yeah.
So in church we were taught God is not coming, He's already within us. That's
Yes,
within us.
That's why we are God.
In us.
We are not gods. He's in
Demigod.
with us.
Yeah, He's within us. We are God. So kanje we are God. That's why noma ushonile bayakwazi
We believe that
ukukuphathela.
nothing.
We are
We are
God.
God.
Bheka,
God.
God uthe I'll make you
I don't
on
believe
my
that.
I
own
don't
image.
believe that.
But He said I'll make you on my own image.
It doesn't mean that you are God. That's
No.
why Satan bemqothile bamzisa la. Because
No.
of bekasezikhompera nobani.
Yena bekaphapha.
Bekazikhompera ile nto ikhulumayo ukuthi wena manje because of uGod ukuwe, so now you think that you are God.
Bheka, you know why I'm saying we are God. Ne? Bafethu, you don't understand. We can create. Ne? God can create. You can manifest. You ask me if you are God, what I mean. I'm not meaning that you are God. Like we are God, you are God. So if you want something, you must manifest for that thing.
And put in the hard
Put in the hard work.
as well.
You understand?
And also pray.
And your God.
That's what he's trying to say. You manifest it.
Yeah.
You pray
Yes.
for it and you work hard.
Hard for it. So God will bless your gods.
That's what it now do you
Will bless
understand?
your God.
Yeah.
Will bless you. Why does it bless?
When He bless your
Gods.
gods will bless you. Because He can't give blessings go direct. That's why kuphahlwa umuntu avulele
He's the
iminyango.
only God.
Yes. But masoba kenzela umsebenzi wezane.
So guys, my other question is, do you guys believe in idlos?
Mina yeah.
When?
I know, and I don't like talking about such.
Okay, well,
Why?
he doesn't believe in it because we
Oh.
had an argument about it. That's
Why-
also by the guys.
why kill
We had
the
an
cow?
argument about it.
Yeah.
So do you believe in it?
Why kill the cow?
Angithi obvious konje who's on the Bible owabulala
I'm gonna
imbuzi.
answer you.
Konje ubani lo kweBhayibheli abulala imbuzi. But the sacrifice abulala
Is it
imbuzi.
not Moses?
Moses.
I'm not sure.
Yeah, somewhere. But
yeah.
now it's slaughtered an animal. So what you are doing?
No, there uNkulunkulu was trying to ukubona ukuthi umthanda kangakanani. Angithi ukhumbule bekangathole abantwana for so long and then wazothola umntana lo oyi-1 owakhe uNkulunkulu wathini wamtesta kahle kahle uNkulunkulu bekamtesta wathi makayithini makayomslot. So yena wayenza lonto leyo. So uNkulunkulu bekafuna ukubona itrust yakhe. Angithi kuthiwa uGod he's a jealous God. So kusho ukuthi ke uNkulunkulu bekatesta itrust yakhe, so wamslothisa umntana wakhe ekuphela kwakhe, umntana wakhe amthandayo. Then he did that but akazange wadomslotha. Ithema ke mbona ukuthi okay usekeza yenza wathi no naya imbuzi lapha
Saqala lapho
yami
ukuslotha ke nathi.
ukslotha ini.
Imbuzi sifunde kubo. So bebakubuzile. Bombuzile question akakuphendula.
Okay, you were saying, do I believe in madlozis? I do.
And you don't at the same
And you
time.
don't,
Because I can see
and there's a part.
There's a part.
No, I do believe in dlozis, ne, but I'm still in a process of learning iBhayibheli nalento yobudlozi ukuthi izihlangana kanjani. You understand?
No, I understand where you're coming from. Totally.
You understand, ne?
Yeah.
So yeah, ekhaya kubelieve lamadlozini. That's why I'm believing nami emadlozini. Okay, my grandfather, ne, he was a traditional healer,
Poison.
and then he was a traditional healer, and then bengekaveli, my mom was still young at that time. He was a traditional healer, and then after apho wayekela izinto zakhe zobu-traditional healer, wayokwenza waya ecaweni yabo hallelujah to be saved,
Okay.
to be a born again, ayekele izinto zamadlozi.
Okay, so that's what's got you like hlangana kanjani lento.
So after when thina sesivelile, umama sekamdala sekashadile nabanye ama-siblings akhe, bengenziwa amasiko ekhaya. Do you know amasiko, right?
No, please explain it. Guys, what is it?
Ceremonies.
Ceremonies.
Aye.
Yeah.
Yes, when I'm on.
Aye.
No. Take it me.
Kako. Ngicashile. Ceremony.
Yeah, yabo traditional ceremonies lezi ezenziwayo emakhaya. Ngizokushaya wena. Yabo.
Yeah.
So when he was about to die, he was bekakhona ukufa. The reason angakhona ukufa, it was because of abantu abadala bakokwabo, which is amadlozi. They were like, "Faith, you're gonna just disappear wena." Abantu bakokwena, abantwana bakho, they won't see your matambos ukuthi ufe kuphi wayakuphi. You're just gonna disappear because of you didn't do this and that and that and that and that and that and that, and you were supposed to do it. Kunabantwana bakho abagulayo okumele ubenzele izinto zesintu, but you didn't do that well. You understand? My grandfather was sick like yo, ne? After that, okay, sharp, kwaya, fast forward, and then it was like, no guys, I'm sorry. Biza abantwana bakhe and his wife. Ngabiza abatshela ukuthi ngiyaxolisa ukuthi ngiyenze whatever le ngiyenzileyo ukuthi ngiye emsindisweni, of which inkonzo akusiyinto embi, yes, mara kodwa I was supposed to do izinto ezi-right for you guys and then for nala ekhayeni lethu. So manje ngiyanivumela ukuthi nenze amasiko ceremonies.
Okay.
This is a traditional.
So
Since then, and then he died peacefully, and then after Apple, yenza ke since ke sikhubeka ngamasiko, but nami angithi now sengimdala, I'm trying to find out ukuthi yini yamenza ukuthi aye elisindisweni, ayeke izinto zakhe ze-traditional, aphinde futhi abuye futhi. So that's why I'm like,
yeah.
Okay.
you understand?
Uzishuthi zachubisa le ndaba sifuna ukuza lo. Wonga believe emadlozini.
Well, my grandma is a pastor.
Oh.
So we've never done all these visiting the graveyard, but I don't touch on such subject.
But the Bible says do not judge. Why most of the Christians
I'm not
judge?
judging.
No, I'm just asking in a way. It's gonna be a Christian judge. I am a song of my wrong. I am a song of my law. But the Bible says do not judge. Imanga li pastor yako ekutshela ukuthi hayi manje ubani kanje, hey ubani wenjani, ujudge abantu. So the whole church lonke yabona ukuthi semngcolile.
Yeah, it's fucked up.
And kunama-church recruit abantu ngisho. Wena ngicabanga ukuthi esontweni kanti esontweni lakasathana la bakurecruiter khona. So give us more of your thoughts, bro. Like you've been quiet. So we need like more of your thoughts.
Like of this amadlozi.
Of anything. Okay, you know what? Let's jump in amadlozi because you don't want to touch on it. Let's talk about the music.
Oh yeah.
It's a music
It's
industry.
music. Oh, especially the Amapiano side. It's fucked up
How so?
because of what's been happening from since.
Gymnasium.
So Jima
And
Shiko
Jima
incident.
Sheko just raised it up, like,
Yeah.
and everybody was shocked.
Do you believe Jimashoko?
Yeah, I believe him.
Why?
Why?
On my point, like, it's something that happens in the music industry.
So music industry is evil.
Yeah, it's devil.
I feel like it is because
Nana, you remember watch American Satan? How
yeah.
the devil approaches you.
Yeah, we
And-
were watching a movie yesterday actually guys. It's called American Satan. So these guys left home wanting to go start their band, make music, you understand? And then the devil approached them with a suggestion. Give me a sacrifice and you get everything. Hey, they went along with it until the leader of the band was like, "No, I'm letting this guy out of the van." They were supposed to set him on fire.
Yo.
So he let the guy out of the van. But now look at the plot was that guy was gonna jump a fence, but it's an electric fence and he died immediately.
Yeah.
So the sacrifice still
sacrifice.
happened.
Yo. Okay. Yes, yes. So that means within this music culture, there's a lot of sacrifices that have been happening, and there are a lot.
South Africa.
And there are a lot of secrets that have been kept. And when someone comes out with the truth, we think he's mad or she's mad.
But you know, most people that has ever tried to make the world know that Illuminati's real has died. You guys realize that?
Yeah.
That's how I feel, honestly. And for me, I strongly believe the Illuminati is real.
Me too.
And that we have a South African PDD. Do you know a South African PDD?
Who's that?
Grootman.
Grootman.
Just corrected
Grootman, young
Grootman.
And did you guys know there's actually like a Illuminati pyramid in town?
Yeah?
Yeah,
You
Mao
just
know.
Zedong Illuminati.
There's a Illuminati pyramid in town.
Where?
Where?
If I find it, I will send you guys the address. But it's in town. It's not quite far from JP, I think, also. So this shit is real, and all of it started with, for my guess, what the South African artist Black Coffee, because he was the first DJ in the industry that just blew up, guys. Boom,
yeah.
boom, and he's still doing his shit. He's still making money.
Yeah.
You understand? Then came your Uncle Waffles, your Papi Coopers, but they show you as Illuminati is real because now they're throwing up hand signs, making pyramids. Like, even look at the most artists' album covers.
Yeah.
The colors of the devil,
Red,
colors of
red and
sacrifice.
black,
You
black.
understand what I'm saying?
Colors.
Cardi B, it's red.
You
I made a
understand?
drama that it's red.
Do you understand? So they're showing you. Why do you think most of our South African artists, when they're making new videos, when like they finally start picking up their careers, booming now, they start wearing like red and black in their music
Yeah.
videos. And you understand what I'm saying?
What's this? Is pants?
That they wear.
Why are they protecting? Or what is it? Is it for protection or what?
I think it's, how can I put it? I don't know how it works that side in America, but I know in South Africa what I've heard before is that when you do join the Illuminati this side, you get to enjoy 10 years of the riches they give you, and after that you die. But I took it as it's not true because how long? My mom, for example, Mpura and Kilakau came out, boom, they were booming, and then out of the blue, car accident.
And by the way, I like that clip. Jima Shoko is saying they are alive. They are performing there in Nigeria.
Yeah, too short.
Too short Too short ex-tapi ba mo jail.
Yo, Papetsu, do you guys think that's true?
Their tokoloshi is
Are
there.
Mlindo the vocalist ki tokoloshi. Too short Arabia.
Tushotarian and there's athi kunamatikoloshi, I don't know, maybe
Really?
nika amapurisa
Too
where
short Arabia.
Mara
Are
too short
dikoloi
Arabia.
tsa mapurisa ke di stolen. Ocho
Tushota
ya.
Arabia.
Le moto kaScott aseyakhe le
Eh.
blue aseyakhe.
And I seem South African.
Yo, too short. O short kangako phethe indaba ezilong.
Yeah.
Yes.
Athi fuck Sony, fuck Maporisa. Yo, but guys, that took energy. You know, that's why I believed Jima Sikho, because no guy has ever said, no one in this industry has ever said to Maporisa, fuck you.
Yeah, and
on
fuck,
live,
and fuck so
on a live.
That's
and
power. That's
and if
power.
they said fuck Jay-Z Q.
He's like, yo, can papa me vele.
Jay-Z Q umtshele live like beka kwi
Yeah,
live video, yeah.
Instagram.
It was it Instagram, TikTok, Instagram. Umtshela live ukuthi yazini wena.
Fuck you.
It's yo ayajika.
And there's a video of Jay-Z Q trending where he's like, Kimol, in South Africa, we have our South African people.
And that is why
So that's why I believe Jima Sikho also when he says, they're eating men. A man is eating a man in this
They say
so njengoba ku music.
they said he's eating youngster.
Allegedly. We have 5 minutes left. So when if they wanna chow you because you make music,
Hey, no. That's why I have my own record label registered. I don't wanna.
That's my baby, guys.
I don't wanna.
you very well.
Clock it.
Yeah.
So I wouldn't do such just for fame, man.
I know, man.
I'm losing my dignity, Bella.
And yeah, cause it's a dick.
But also, guys, I'd just like to say that I'm really proud of my boyfriend because he pushes his music, but at the same time, we have a shop outside in front of the yard.
Shout
We do
out.
Shout out,
T-shirts selling Amazimba, you know. But we want something bigger than that. We want to have our own brand.
Nizofika.
And we're definitely gonna get there because God has already been showing us for these past few weeks that I am here.
And
Yes.
he's always here with us.
Yes.
He's always here with us.
Nam, let me flex with my baby.
Okay.
Nam, we have a construction company where we
Congratulations, guys.
where we do baby abatshele yonke
We install appliances,
Yes,
we
my
build
baby.
houses,
Yes.
CNC paving, like anything that requires home decor or
I
construction.
do interior design.
So I have a plug inside.
You have a plug.
Your plan.
Yeah, you my plug.
And my passion is food, guys. God willingly, guys, by the grace of God,
Please.
I'll have my own restaurant next year, and I hope you guys support me.
Yes.
We will.
Yes.
We will.
Yes.
And we're gonna shoot. You're gonna open a food restaurant.
And then we're
with a
gonna go and
podcast.
shoot there.
Yes,
Ne?
clack it.
Okay.
Is it? Oh,
It's clack it.
It's okay.
it's like
What
it and
is-
then what is this?
I don't know.
What
I
is-
know
what-
clock
that's
it is
gang
this
gang.
one.
What if I
That's
join
gang
You gang gang.
Gang.
Oh my gang.
What if I join you Milati abantu?
No,
Siyacloka,
baby,
clock.
clocky.
No, it's clocky.
Okay.
Oh. So with this 5 minutes, since I wrap up, I say you're gonna shop.
Yeah.
Music wakho bothola bakubhuka kanjani?
Actually, my mom is my manager,
Nice.
Nice.
so they can get through me through my manga for bookings. Then I also drop on YouTube, Apple Music. I haven't dropped yet, like
Yeah, fully.
yeah.
So on social media, who are you?
It's blue. It's 8_ Blue Moon 02.
Okay.
Okay, guys. My name, you can get me on Facebook. You can get me, my Instagram has been hacked, this Fox channel is Fox. But anyway, you can get me on WhatsApp. I go on Facebook, I go by the name of Tyrese Mpalenhle Rose Morgan.
Yes, Bali.
If you guys don't get hold of me, you can find me through Mabu.
Yes.
Hey, it's a boo boo. It's a boo boo boo. Mara sisa repapo kunjani kwalapho kamjolo
Yo, I'm
ngomnandi ne especially ungachi.
and abantu abayiboni like waqama udidile mayizamajenza
singathi slave yazi akunawo Jackson amafuna ukuba successful life number 1 do not cheat
Yes.
ebhaliwe nasebhayibhelini ukuthi
Even you
You
ladies
girls
don't cheat.
don't.
nani mantombazana
Those guys, like, I feel like once you get someone that matches your energy, and that's the universe giving you your soulmate.
yeah
True.
Listen to it because love does not come twice around.
yes
Right.
yeah and nothing come twice bafethu yazi ngifuna sivale kanjani mina kugcina mara le methi serious yazi ngibuthi izinto eziweird mara ngizo catch up after later why in a day kuba mnyama
1 minute.
kayi 2 bese kukhanya kayi 1
Yeah.
midnight kumnyama ebusuku kumnyama emini kuyakhanya kusho ukuthi life ini only have one opportunity you fuck it up you're fucked
That's true.
ne
You only love once, but
YOLO
check your steps
you only.
Yeah, check your steps.
and
You
be
only
10
live once,
steps
but check your
ahead of
steps.
your enemies.
And guys, the
Yes.
secret to a happy relationship is don't include a third party.
a friend
Don't include, and once you guys wanna be where you wanna be as a relationship, don't tell them your next move.
shala phansi
Take it on the
njengesikero
down
sotshani
low.
danko
Okay.
so mina bafethu
We are
nakazi
talking
igama
nabanye.
igama uKatlego Ntariana Mula aka Mr Soweto Kamfele Motseba aka Mr Cool himself. Thanks for watching iKastle Vukile bafethu @Katlego Mula Network. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that button to become a member and get exclusive content. I hope everybody subscribes because the more we subscribe is the more Vukilokish. Mangithi Soweto bafethu sithi siketo. Soweto siketo.
We got
Danko.
you.